the 2020 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.